The Transtheoretical Model is a framework that describes how people progress through behavioral change, often simplified into 5 key stages. Stage 1 is Precontemplation, which is characterized by apathy towards the problem, which may stem from lack of awareness. For example, Sarah believes that smoking helps her relax and avoids conversations around quitting to cope with her divorce. The second stage of the TTM is Contemplation. Here, the individual is aware of the problem and begins weighing the pros and cons of change. In this stage, Sarah may take notice of any health effects of her smoking habit and may make vague plans of quitting. Preparation follows contemplation. In this stage, the individual begins making plans to facilitate the change they have decided on. To prepare, Sarah picks a quit date and tells friends and family about her plans. In stage 4, the individual actively modifies behavior and is committed to change. In action, Sarah actually quits, avoids triggers, and uses nicotine patches or gum to curb cravings. The fifth and final stage of the TTM is maintenance. Sarah in this stage has no cravings, and smoking is no longer a part of her life. If you found this video helpful, drop us a like and subscribe to our channel or visit us at our website for more.